I love noodles and Chinese food in general, so hungry and excited to eat.
Found it tasty.
Wow. After eating, you'll see a different me. I'll be happier. And
I could see that already. थोड़ा सा आया, dose. Order फिर से करो मेरे सामने सिर्फ in Telugu.
నాకు ఒక బోన్ గార్లిక్ రైస్ కావాలి, దాంతో పాటు ఒక పెప్సీ అండ్ ఒక కంపాల్ చికెన్. అండ్ ఇన్ తమిళ్ ఇట్ వుడ్ బి எனக்கு ஒரு బోన్ గార్లిక్ ரைஸ் வேணும், அதோட ஒரு कंपाल चिकन and coke. तो कभी कभी हम वो खाते थे क्योंकि स्पेशली माय निकनेम वाज दैट इट्स कॉल्ड पुट्टू. मेरी मॉम ने मेरे को ये सीक्रेट रिवील किया कि वो उस राइस केक के वजह से मुझे पुट्टू बुलाती है. मतलब बचपन से. अगर एक फिल्म इंटरनेशनली नॉमिनेट होती है तो कोई नहीं बोलेगा कि एक मलयालम फिल्म है, एक हिंदी फिल्म है, तमिल है, तेलुगु, कन्नड़ा है. सब बोलेंगे कि एक इंडियन फिल्म है. तो आई थिंक वो to see it as one big industries which have different languages is a great thing. And there is also this weird combination that I really love, which is softie and french fries, which a lot of people don't like, and then I've cut ties with those people because it's something that I really love.
Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here on Zoom channel on my special show Street Diaries, sponsored by Chinese Wok. And with me today I have Kriti Shetty, who is going to join me and enjoy some lovely Chinese food on a weekday. So join me as I welcome her on Zoom.
Thank you so much.
Lovely you look, and I love your outfit as I told you. It's a Barbie kind of a vibe which you're giving me. So how the Barbie has been throughout the day?
All very good, very excited because I love noodles and Chinese food in general. So hungry and excited to eat. एक पॉइंट पे मेरे फ्रेंड्स मुझे बोलते थे कि एक पब्लिक फिगर के पेज से ज़्यादा मेरे इंस्टाग्राम एक फूड ब्लॉगर का पेज लगता है, क्योंकि रोज़ मैं कुछ ना कुछ खाने की स्टोरीज डाल रही थी और मेरे फ्रेंड्स के इतने बोलने के बाद मुझे वो बंद करना पड़ा. बट आई एम अ टोटल फूडी. आई लव फूड.
इस बैक वाली मैंने देखा है कि आपने इंस्टाग्राम पे अपने फूड वाला एक और एक वीडियो डाला ही है.
अच्छा या
That is one thing, but I wanted to see आपको चाइनीज कितना पसंद है.
मुझे बहुत पसंद है and I love noodles. I can have it every day. So एक चीज़ noodles है और एक खिचड़ी है which I can eat every single day.
Kachori.
Yeah, and if I could eat only one thing for the rest of my life, noodles.
No one can say no to the spicy, tasty and yummiest food from Chinese Wok. Chinese Wok ने बनाया नितिन को अंपायर से यम्पायर. आप कब बन रहे हो? Order now.
So आज with your choice I'm going to order food and I want to see like तुम्हारी choice कैसी है. ठीक है? Done? आपकी choice देखते हैं.
वैसे तो बहुत indecisive हूँ मैं. Should we go for देसी चिल्ली या शेजवान?
But how is your taste like? Spicy?
I love spicy.
You love spicy? चलो sorted फिर तो.
मतलब नाक से, आंखों से, कान से पानी आने तक स्पाइसी चाहिए. इसमें से सबसे ज्यादा स्पाइसी देसी चिल्ली.
देसी चिल्ली. I think देसी हाँ है ना थोड़ा सा. देसी चिल्ली along with noodles में कौन सा? शेजवान noodles के plain?
I think burnt garlic noodles अच्छी.
Burnt garlic noodles actually. Yeah.
I actually want to try शेजवान.
One sweet chili potato. And dessert में you want to have anything, Kriti? Yeah, so then दो शिकंजी ले लो. शिकंजी would be good for digestion and all of that.
Okay.
Yeah. So as we speak about food, I have to ask you, Kriti, आपके डाइट में कितने changes हुए हैं, ever since you have taken acting as a profession?
I think ये लोग मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पूछते हैं. I think actresses के लिए ये most asked question होता है. और 6 महीने पहले तक मैं हमेशा सबको बोलती थी कि नहीं मैं तो सब कुछ खाती हूँ, मतलब, और मैं सब कुछ खा रही थी, मतलब सच ही था वो भी. लेकिन मेरा एक गोल था एक टाइम पे 2-3 महीने पहले, जिसके लिए मुझे आई वांटेड टू रीच अ पर्टिकुलर बॉडी वेट. तो उसके लिए मैंने 1-2 महीने के लिए फ्राइड फूड, डेयरी सब कुछ छोड़ दिया था. और तब तक के लिए आई वाज रियली स्ट्रगलिंग बिकॉज मुझे डेयरी बहुत पसंद है, मुझे फ्राइड फूड बहुत पसंद है, मुझे शुगर डेजर्ट्स बहुत पसंद है. तो इट्स वेरी वेरी हार्ड टू कंट्रोल. और मैंने कभी पहले किया नहीं था ये लाइफ में, मतलब इतना कंट्रोल फूड पे. और मतलब एक्चुअली मेरा खाने का पोर्शन साइज थोड़ा कम है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है.
अच्छा,
वो अभी देखेंगे.
पता चलेगा.
पता चलेगा.
Yeah.
बट और यूजुअली मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि आई ईट क्लीन बिकॉज आई थिंक वो हमारे स्किन में भी रिफ्लेक्ट होता है. एंड देन मैंने सुना है कि मूड्स में भी रिफ्लेक्ट होता है व्हाट यू ईट एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. तो उसके वजह से आई हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू ईट क्लीन, बट इफ आई क्रेव समथिंग आई डोंट होल्ड बैक.
When you really crave for something, what is that one food item you really like, head out for and like eat?
I think it is fries. I love fries. I think fries, chips, biscuits, dessert, everything.
Staying in Mumbai and
Yeah.
working in South, how it has been for you? I'm sure a lot of travel involves. Plus, working down South is also, it's like a lot of discipline what we hear about.
Yes.
अगर सुबह में शुरू करते तो शाम में पैकअप करना ही है, they have these schedules and all. So how it has been for you?
I think schedule wise so it depends on the film क्योंकि सारे फिल्म्स के schedules और हर दिन का schedule भी different होता है. और as for traveling, I mean I really love मतलब Hyderabad, Chennai, Malayalam, like Kerala, every place that I've been to, Karnataka. I'm from Karnataka actually, but I'm born and brought up from Bombay. Lekin every place that I've been to, it's been filled with great food, amazing people, and very very good energy. क्योंकि I think मैंने नोटिस किया है कि साउथ में हर जगह बहुत सारे टेम्पल्स होते हैं and I really like going to temples. तो I feel lots of good energy वहाँ पे वैसे भी. And yeah.
What is that one Chinese food item आप घर पे बनाते हो?
Noodles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're very good at it.
Yeah. Actually, I attempt burnt garlic noodles a lot.
अच्छा.
और noodles I think relatively थोड़ा easy है बनाने के लिए
Yeah.
as compared to other. और फिर this exactly chili potato.
Oh.
Chili potato is easy to make.
I really like
I'm
it.
not much of a cook or very good at cooking. मतलब I like baking more. And फिर मॉम ने थोड़ा मुझे restrict कर दिया था cook करने से. तो मैं किचन से बाहर ही रहती हूँ.
Ever since you have been here and ऐसा कुछ ऐसा occasion रहा है when you have tried something and it turned out to be disaster.
तो एक बार मैंने I think brownie बनाने की कोशिश की थी. And it was like a कुकी एंड ब्राउनी मिक्स. उसको ब्रुकी बोलते हैं. मतलब इंस्टाग्राम पे तो वो था. इंस्टाग्राम पे रेसिपी देखी, अब पिंटरेस्ट पे देखी. मैंने और मेरी फ्रेंड्स ने बनाने का सोचा था बिकॉज उसके पहले हमने कुकीज़ बनाई थी एंड दोस टर्न्ड आउट ग्रेट. सो वी डिसाइडेड टू मेक दिस ब्रुकी. और आई थिंक उसमें सॉल्ट डालना था, बट हमको लगा कि ठीक है थोड़ा सॉल्टेड फ्लेवर रहेगा, अच्छा आएगा. the sweet flavor will be enhanced अगर थोड़ा ज़्यादा सॉल्ट डाले तो. लेकिन फिर वो आई थिंक सॉल्ट ब्राउनीज बन गए और इतने सॉल्टी थे एंड इट वाज अ डिजास्टर.
Oh, really?
या
घर पे
एंड देन कुकीज के लिए हम फाइट कर रहे थे. नहीं मैं एक और लेके जाऊंगी, नहीं मैं एक और फिर ब्राउनी के लिए नहीं तू लेके जा, नहीं तू लेके जा.
बचपन में कभी ऐसे हुआ था खाना बनाने की कोशिश करे या खाना खाने की कोशिश करे या पेरेंट्स हैव बीन लाइक ये क्यों आई किचन में, they have got very pissed at you for any food item in particular?
Actually food में they get pissed with me क्योंकि I have a very sensitive nose. तो अगर मम्मी ने कुछ घर पे बनाया होगा खाने में तो मैं लिफ्ट से बाहर आते ही मुझे पता चल जाएगा कि घर में ये बन रहा है. तो वो कुछ भी मेरे से सरप्राइज नहीं रख सकते. तो मैं घर पे अंदर आते ही बोलूँगी अच्छा आज आपने ये बनाया है क्या. एंड मॉम इज लाइक मतलब फिर आ गई. एंड देन आई विल बी मोर इम्पेशेंट. और फिर अच्छा I'll know she's making something that I like. तो फिर then I'll be like oh मतलब कब बनेगा, कब खत्म होगा अब. And then mom will be like 5 मिनट और वो 5 मिनट कभी खत्म ही नहीं होते.
डांट पड़ती है कभी आपको
बहुत बचपन से बहुत. इवन दो मैं इतनी मतलब ऐसा मुझे लगता है कि मैं उतनी नॉटी किड नहीं थी, लेकिन फिर भी डांट तो बहुत पड़ी लगता है वैसे.
आपको पता होगा. But as we talk about parents, especially उनके लिए कभी आपने खाना बनाया है, one special item?
हाँ एक्चुअली मैं अपने डैड के लिए ऑमलेट बनाती थी कभी कभी. आई थिंक लॉकडाउन में मैं बीच में ऐसा एक फेज था, मतलब लॉकडाउन में तो बहुत सारे फेजेस थे, लेकिन ऐसा भी एक फेज था जब मैं बहुत जल्दी उठती थी और वर्कआउट करने के लिए. तो तभी मेरे डैड जब उठते थे मैं उनके लिए ऑमलेट बनाती थी विद सम सॉसेजेस एंड लाइक अ प्रॉपर ब्रेकफास्ट.
Oh wow, that's very sweet.
Yeah.
But you know, when I talk about parents also, you know, especially when you got into acting, were they also a bit conscious कि यार now if she gets into acting she has to maintain her, you know, body, she will not eat food, ऐसे कभी यानी you know complaints आई उनकी तरफ से?
एक्चुअली ऐसा मेरे पेरेंट्स ने कभी नहीं बोला, मतलब मेरे डैड को तो बहुत खुशी होती है जब वो मुझे देखते हैं अच्छे से खाते हुए, क्योंकि आई हैव बीन मतलब मेरा पोर्शन ऑफ ईटिंग कम है, तो अगर मैं कुछ बहुत खा रही हूँ मतलब मैं बहुत मज़े से और बहुत इंजॉय करके खा रही हूँ, तो जब भी डैड मुझे अच्छे से खाते हुए देखते हैं ही गेट्स वेरी वेरी हैप्पी। तो ऐसा उन्हें कभी नहीं बोला मुझे कम खाने के लिए या रिस्ट्रिक्ट करने के लिए, दे लेफ्ट इट टू मी। लेकिन कभी कभी जब मैं मॉम को बोलती हूँ नहीं मुझे डाइट करना है अभी, आई विल ईट क्लीन फॉर अ वीक, तो फिर मम्मी तीसरे दिन पे बोलेगी अगर मैं कुछ क्रेव कर रही होंगी और मैं बोलती हूँ मॉम को कि प्लीज़ आप मुझे रोकना, बोलना कि नहीं मत खा तू, तो मैं तीसरे दिन पे बोलूँगी मुझे आज ये खाने का मन कर रहा है, मॉम इज लाइक चल खा ले। शी इज नॉट
She doesn't control you
she
as
doesn't
such, no
control.
fuss about it.
बट फिर वो भी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो जाता है।
वो डायरेक्टर्स की तरफ से होता है। I'm
या
sure.
एक्चुअली जो अभी ये फिल्म आ रही है
हाँ.
उसका एक शूटिंग पार्ट खत्म हो गया था, बस एक सॉन्ग बाकी था,
हाँ.
और आई थिंक तभी मैं कंटिन्यूसली वर्क कर रही थी लाइक बहुत महीनों से, और मुझे एक 4 day ब्रेक मिला था ये सॉन्ग के पहले मुंबई आने के लिए, एंड आई वाज कमिंग आफ्टर मंथ्स।
हाँ.
तो फिर इतने सारे मंथ्स के बाद जब मैं आई मैंने बहुत सारे इंस्टाग्राम पे रील्स सेव करके रखे थे कि मैं ये प्लेस जाऊंगी, तो मैं सब कुछ एक्सप्लोर करी थी और मैं बहुत सारे इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज डाल रही थी, और जो मेरी फिल्म के डायरेक्टर है वो वाओ अमेजिंग यमी ये सब रिप्लाई कर रहे थे मेरी स्टोरीज पे।
हाँ.
फिर लास्ट डे एक दिन सॉन्ग के पहले वो रिप्लाई करते हाँ मतलब सॉन्ग शूट के पहले ये सब बहुत अच्छा है खाने के लिए।
Oh wow. वो भी सॉन्ग शूट के पहले तो
Yeah,
फिर
then
खाया
I
कि
was
नहीं खाया?
अभी ये खाने के बाद उन्होंने बोला कि अच्छा है सॉन्ग शूट के पहले बहुत अच्छी चीजें खाई थी।
हाँ.
Then I was like, oh my god,
That was a kind of a smart way में.
smart way,
Yeah.
but ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि वो they were asking me to lose weight or anything.
That's lucky of you.
Yeah, he was just very funny like that.
Yeah. But also, you know, when you are shooting in a down south, and we always hear, like I have also seen, there were different spread altogether, you know, especially breakfast maybe. There were a lot of good food items, and you really get excited to have. What is that one thing like you really like love having when you're in south?
I think there's egg dosa, मतलब
I've never tried this.
yeah, actually साउथ में काम करने के पहले इवन दो मैं साउथ इंडियन मुझे भी एग डोसा क्या होता है पता नहीं था, और ना ही हमने कभी घर पे बनाया था, लेकिन इट्स बेसिकली अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एन ऑमलेट एंड डोसा मेड टुगेदर,
हाँ.
मतलब सिंपल है बहुत,
Oh wow.
और उसको टोमेटो चटनी के साथ खाना यूजुअली मुझे आजकल डोसा इतना पसंद नहीं है क्योंकि घर पे लाइक बचपन से ऑलमोस्ट रोज या एवरी अदर डे खा खा के मैं बोर हो चुकी थी, लेकिन वो एक है जो जब भी मेरे को लगता है कि मुझे कुछ नहीं खाना, मुझे ब्रेकफास्ट करने का मन नहीं हो रहा, तो मैं वो खा लेती हूँ जस्ट फॉर सम एनर्जी, एंड इट्स ऑलवेज
I'm going to try this now.
Yeah,
You've
yeah,
got me excited to
It
try
is
egg dosa.
yummy.
I've never had egg dosa for sure.
yeah,
Like I've had different kind of dosas, but egg
But
dosa
not
first time
egg
like
dosa.
I've been
it
really.
is yummy.
When you were working with Tovino, you know, for this movie, what was your food, you know, like, because Tovino like that is quite good in terms of, you know, food. habits.
yeah, he is, I mean, and he is also a foodie, but मैंने recently सुना कि उनको भूख नहीं लगती और वो बस खाते हैं क्योंकि वो खाने के शौकीन हैं, and I was very surprised क्योंकि मैं तो रुकती हूँ कि कब लंच ब्रेक होगा, कब खाने को मिलेगा,
Yeah.
and but he is a total foodie and I've heard lots of stories about him and his crazy travel के food adventures.
Yeah.
And और set पे it was a beautiful thing because we all would eat together sometimes क्योंकि रनिंग ब्रेक होता था, तो हम सब मतलब एक डिश है which actually my nickname is that, तो कभी कभी हम वो खाते थे क्योंकि especially my nickname was that, it's called puttu which is like an
rice and
a rice,
coconut thing.
yeah.
But do you have it like a spicy one or you have the
plain one? नहीं मतलब नॉर्मल वाला,
हाँ.
फिर उसके साथ जो भी चटनियाँ ग्रेवी।
अच्छा. Oh wow.
तो माई निकनेम इज एक्चुअली पुट्टू।
अच्छा.
तो एक दिन मॉम वाज कॉलिंग मी पुट्टू, और फिर सबने सुना और उन्होंने बोला कि अच्छा ये एक डिश है यहाँ पे, मतलब मुझे पता नहीं था कि पुट्टू एक डिश था, और फिर मेरी मॉम ने मेरे को ये सीक्रेट रिवील किया कि वो उस राइस केक के वजह से मुझे पुट्टू बुलाती है।
Oh.
मतलब बचपन से।
And I've been having this puttu since
Yeah.
childhood, me myself.
Oh.
So I have it with coconut and, you know, थोड़ा शक्कर डाल के
शक्कर।
we make that in the morning
हम
breakfast
वो
में.
थोड़े छोले टाइप के साथ खाते हैं.
हाँ.
We call it kaddu.
With gravy also,
With-
yes.
yeah.
Do you prefer going for all these weddings, you know, especially for the food?
Food. I mean, I have, lekin I'm not too much of a very social person to go. मतलब I would rather order whatever I want, but I have gone. ऐसा हुआ है
हाँ.
in a few weddings क्योंकि मैंने सुना था कि उनका खाना बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है, तो I was like ये मैं नहीं मिस कर सकती.
But also, you know, Preeti, we see your work, you know, the kind of work you've done. You've worked with a lot of big actors, you know. And before this interview, also, I was saying this to you that, you know, you have worked with, you know, you have worked with Naga Chaitanya, you have worked with Tovino, you have worked with Sudhir Babu, you have worked with Nani. How the association has been for you, and different people have, you know, different, you know, popularity also. And you yourself, like, you have like more than, you know, 9 million followers on social media. How it has been for you, you know, down south?
I think touchwood, matlab, I've been very fortunate to work with all those people, and I think I've learned so much from them, and they've all been super kind to me. क्योंकि मतलब even actually मैं हमेशा टोविनो के बारे में बात कर रही थी अभी, but if I think back, everybody has taught me so much, and genuinely they're all so friendly and so humble. And you really don't expect that, because मतलब जो हमने बचपन से सुना है सेलिब्रिटीज के बारे में है कि मतलब they live a certain kind of lifestyle. लेकिन when I actually experienced and encountered all these people, they are super humble, and मैंने उनसे मतलब लाइफ के बारे में, एक्टिंग के बारे में बहुत कुछ सीखा है. And to always, you know, to always stay grounded no matter how high you reach. And especially मतलब talking about performance wise also, मतलब सबका all these 4 actors that you mentioned and everybody else that I work with, सबका एक अपना style होता है performance का, and which is extremely different from one another, and वही चीज़ है जो उनको यूनिक बनाता है. तो उनके वो यूनिक स्टाइल से भी मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है और नोटिस किया है, and it has been a wonderful experience.
And the food memories, if you recollect with them, you know, which you remember?
Since you mentioned Chesh, he has a restaurant called Shoyu,
Okay.
which he had sent me lots of food from, and I really loved. Unki sushi is a Pan-Asian place. I mean, nobody told me to say this, but I really loved the food.
Yeah.
And then I think even Sudhir Garu, he is also very fond of food, but he follows a very strict diet when he's yeah. I mean, in lots of his films, he's had like an amazing body, and I know for a fact कि उन्होंने बहुत hard work किया था उसके लिए.
Yeah.
And Tovino, I'm really not sure about his food habits much, but I heard कि उन्हें एक रोल के लिए एक 1 week में बहुत weight lose किया था, and that was unbelievable to me, मतलब. So
But like, what food memories you have shared with them, you know, which you have had with them?
yeah, just like I think eating on set, क्योंकि usually break के लिए everybody likes to go back, but then कभी-कभी when you have a running break is when you end up eating together.
And what about when we speak about, say, खाने की तो बात हमने करी, but you know, नानी के बारे में जब भी बात करते हैं कि always has spicy conversations around him, you know, be it at event or anything. उनको क्या पसंद है, and which you have had with him?
I really don't remember, क्योंकि I think I worked with him also a long time ago. It was in 2021 when we shot for 1-2 months. So मेरी memory इतनी काम नहीं कर रही है, but I don't remember.
I think we all have attention
हाँ.
span because we are so inclined on Instagram.
Yeah.
But Instagram पे आप सबसे ज़्यादा क्या देखना पसंद करते हो?
My Instagram is filled with fashion and like makeup.
Yeah.
If you open my Instagram, मैं आपको दिखा भी सकती हूँ fashion, makeup, food. That's all, मतलब.
And I could see some skincare tips from you, which is I'm going to try that eye roller, and you know, I found it very cute, that lollipop eye roller, and I was like, अरे यार ये कैसे daily आप कैसे है ना, how do you maintain yourself?
I think मेरे को skincare बहुत पसंद है, मतलब बचपन से मुझे बहुत पसंद है skincare and makeup. तो even मतलब कभी-कभी when I'm too tired, I still make sure that I double cleanse वगैरह. लेकिन वरना in the mornings usually I really enjoy putting on makeup or skincare, क्योंकि I feel like it's like a me time, a relaxation time before a hectic day. Yeah.
When you're not shooting, what do you prefer doing the most and being comfortable in?
When I'm not shooting, I'm literally in bed all day. Bus mein, I think I wake up, when I have an off day, I wake up, I'll go to my workout class, come back and stay in bed all day. That's all.
Something like
Yeah, and
I could relate
I'll
to
be
it.
watching TV and literally do nothing or read a book or something. But staying in bed and chilling is my go-to thing.
you had a very specific role in Super 30, with
Yeah.
Hrithik Roshan, and you have worked in that movie. But if you had to collaborate with Bollywood actors, who would it be, and which kind of projects would you prefer working on?
I really don't think I have an expectation or a preference. I would love to do and explore all kinds of roles.
Yeah.
And as for actors, like I just said, मतलब सारे एक्टर्स जिनके साथ भी मैंने काम किया उनसे मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है. तो उनके एक यूनिक स्टाइल से मैंने बहुत कुछ ऑब्जर्व किया है और सीखा है. तो मैं सबके साथ काम करना चाहती हूँ बिकॉज सबका एक यूनिक स्टाइल होता है. एंड आई नो इट्स अ वेरी बोरिंग आंसर. But yeah, matlab, this is genuinely what I feel.
And if I had to segregate, if you had to segregate, especially now that you're working in Malayalam film industry, you've worked in Telugu, you have worked in Tamil. How do you segregate these three different? Because of course they are one as South we call,
Yeah.
but they are different. Language wise, it's completely different. The audience is quite different. So how do you segregate that?
I don't think I've thought much about it filhal because for me work is work. Matlab, be it a Tamil film or Telugu film or Malayalam film, I've enjoyed my work equally, and I don't think they have been very different as such. मतलब performance or roles, all my characters have been different, but उसके अलावा ज़्यादा differences मैंने notice नहीं किया apart from थोड़े cultural differences.
And if we talk about language, which one you have been comfortable learning or adapting?
I think Telugu was the first language that I learned, and that was easier for me because तभी मैंने ऐसा नहीं था कि मैंने recently और कोई languages सीखी थी. जैसे तमिल सीखते था, मैंने recently तेलुगु सीखी थी, तो
हाँ.
वो उस पे मूव ऑन करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था. एंड देन मलयालम में मेरे वर्किंग डेज कम थे एज कम्पेयर टू तमिल एंड तेलुगु फिल्म्स दैट आई हैव डन. तो वो मेरे को सीखने में थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी हुआ. तमिल एंड तेलुगु आई कैन स्पीक नाउ, बट मलयालम आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग.
I have to ask you this very important question. Because you can speak in Telugu, just say this Manchurian balls or say paneer gravy or say veg rice noodles को order फिर से करो मेरे सामने सिर्फ in Telugu.
ఓకే,
Yeah.
నాకు ఒక బర్న్ గార్లిక్ రైస్ కావాలి, దాంతో పాటు ఒక పెప్సీ అండ్ ఒక కక్ పావ్ చికెన్. అండ్ ఇన్ తమిళ్ ఇట్ వుడ్ బి எனக்கு ஒரு బర్న్ గార్లిక్ రైஸ் வேணும், அதோட ஒரு கக் பாவ் சிக்கன் அண்ட் கோக்.
Oh wow, that's not bad. I must say that it's very cute. Whenever I hear someone, like I made even recently when I was doing an interview with Chinnai Vikram sir,
Yeah.
and I made him speak, and I learned some words from him.
Words from him.
Yeah. But as we talk about Malayalam film industry, it is growing and evolving slowly, and people are very keen to see the movies made over there. In fact, Amazon maybe, or OTT platforms, in fact, we have seen some movies, some love stories just going viral like how
Yes.
spoken, internationally. Do you feel that is the kind of cinema people really want to see, which is hatke and different? The storytelling is also very different.
आई थिंक आजकल सिंस 2020 जब लॉकडाउन होने के बाद से हमेशा मतलब लॉकडाउन होने के पहले से भी, बट लॉकडाउन के बाद स्पेशली पीपल हैव बिन मूविंग इनटू वर्ल्ड सिनेमा. एंड लॉकडाउन में हम सबके पास इतना टाइम था कि हमने बहुत सारा वर्ल्ड सिनेमा कंज्यूम किया और बहुत सारे डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ जॉनरास एक्सप्लोर किए. एंड उसके बाद पीपल जस्ट वांट टू सी समथिंग न्यू एंड डिफरेंट. एंड अभी ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ मलयालम, बट मलयालम हैज़ ऑलवेज बिन ग्रेट विद कंटेंट. लेकिन जो भी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री अच्छा कंटेंट दे रही है, पीपल आर रेडी टू सपोर्ट दैट. आई
Yeah.
थिंक वो लॉकडाउन की वजह से वो बैरियर्स भी ब्रेक हो चुके हैं लैंग्वेजेस के. सो ऐसा नहीं, पहले ऐसा होता था शायद कि मलयालम फिल्म्स सिर्फ मलयालीज देख रहे हैं या तेलुगु फिल्म सिर्फ तेलुगु ऑडियंस देख रही है, लेकिन आजकल ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. आई थिंक अगर एक अच्छी फिल्म है और अगर लोगों ने सुना कि एक अच्छी फिल्म है तो पीपल डोंट माइंड और पीपल आर रियली excited to watch good content.
And I have to also ask you this, and as we see the kind of work you have done and you have adapted, you said what is right, कि हर जगह पे हो रहा है, but ये cross promotion जो हो रहा है, are you liking that fact? Because you are also coming over here promoting the movie. People from Bollywood are also going over there and promoting. This cross promotion is something which didn't used to happen that openly now.
Definitely, and I think what would be wonderful is कि हम मतलब एक तो हम एक डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज में आ रहे हैं जिससे हमने ओरिजिनली बनाया, लेकिन एक और चीज़ है कि अभी सपोज अगर एक फिल्म इंटरनेशनली नॉमिनेट होती है तो कोई नहीं बोलेगा कि एक मलयालम फिल्म है, एक हिंदी फिल्म है, तमिल है, तेलुगु, कन्नड़ा है, सब बोलेंगे कि एक इंडियन फिल्म है. तो आई थिंक वो to see it as one big industries which have different languages is a great thing, and then we get to explore while promoting different places, different people, and then reach out to them with the kind of content we are coming up with, and I think it's beautiful.
And do you think what is that one demand your fans have the most for you on social media?
I think I'm very sorry, but I think it's to go live very often, which I don't, and I know it. So I'm very sorry. But I think now I will go live soon.
On Receive Baat Pe, since you're not going live, but we are making you live with this food
Yes.
item. Priti, I want you to try this. This one has become my favorite. So
Oh,
yeah, I'll just tell me if you like it. I found it tasty.
wow.
It is different.
After eating, you'll say a different me. I'll be happier. And
I could see that already. Like, thoda sa aaya, there's a different face.
Yeah, expression.
So this one is the burnt garlic noodles along with the gravy.
Yeah.
And this one is burnt garlic
Rice.
rice with this. Which one you want to try?
I'll have the noodle.
Okay, chicken.
So, usually I don't get angry often, or even at all. Actually, I can count the number of times I've gotten angry in my life. But hangry is a thing. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, when I haven't eaten enough, or when I haven't, had enough food or something like that, I get very, very annoyed. Like,
Yeah.
मतलब बहुत easily, and then I'm just not in a good mood. But after eating, it's instantly gone.
But is it also with you, like, and with, I'm sure, like, few of us, or most of us, that whenever, you think, your thought has this planning which is happening, कि अभी ये खाऊंगी, अभी ये करूंगी, अभी ये करूंगी.
Yeah.
Do you make such plans? And
Yeah.
the night especially.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So I'm actually a very night person,
Hmm.
but I mean, I usually don't get to stay up in the night because बहुत सारे early morning days होते हैं. लेकिन I become a totally different person in the night. I'm more energetic, all in my element. और बहुत सारे food cravings होते हैं night only. And the best thing that I discovered is ramen in the night. It's my go-to thing to cook up. And then I like to plate it nicely. I add a few mushrooms and like a half fried egg on top of it. And then bread with chocolate spread and ice cream. Like nicely toasted bread butter mein with it's a little like Shibuya toast.
Okay.
Like with chocolate spread and ice cream.
Yeah.
It's too good. It tastes amazing.
But like, especially when रात में ऐसी cravings होती when we end up making like Maggi and all that.
Yeah.
What do you end up making?
Yeah.
This one, the bread.
This bread and or ramen.
Are you into like, sometimes like if you get very stressed, you just end up having one food item. It could be chocolate or something else. Which is that?
I just eat it and my mood is instantly better. Like a small cookie, like a chocolate chip cookie or a small cookie, some biscuit or dark chocolate. Food is my
And how often do you have Chinese?
very, very often actually.
You liked it? This food?
Amazing. I'm gonna turn into the heart eyes emoji.
It's good.
Yeah.
Any food item which you have tried like outside India which you were very cautious about?
A few years back, veg was not that popular in lots of Asian countries, or maybe I just didn't know how to order. And even chicken was not actually. So we had gone to Bangkok, someplace in Thailand, and वहाँ पे everything has. I don't eat pork,
Okay.
so everything had like pork sauce in it or fish sauce, which I think for Indians, especially because we are not used to it, it's very strong
Hmm.
to consume. So that I was not used to, and I was regretting a bit because I tried, I think, something with pork sauce in it or
Okay.
pork broth actually in it,
Huh.
and
Possible. But when you go abroad, what is that one place or which is that one country you really love to go just for the food and what you like to have?
I actually really love food in Malaysia. Yeah, I've had the best food memories, and it's usually the Chinese food, like the street food.
Yeah.
And Malaysia, mein even the fast food is really nice. The Tamil food in Malaysia is also very good. The bun parotas and all those
Wow.
things.
You're really getting me excited now. And bun parota is like, even in
Yeah.
Dubai, like there are some places, they have that.
Yeah, please tell me.
Before I let you go, I have to ask you if any food night memory you have, like for which you have just, drove all the way from one place to another.
So there's this bun maska. It's in Goregaon. It's a little far from my house. But I crave it in the middle of the night, or bread jam. Matlab bun maska jam basically, or bread jam is what I usually crave in the night. And then we drive all the way there. या तो बड़े मियाँ in
Yeah.
रुमाली रोटी,
Yeah.
or usually it's aloo sandwich. And there is also this weird combination that I really love, which is softy and French fries, which a lot of people don't like. And then I've cut ties with those people because it's something that I really love. And when we were kids, all my friends would be like, ew, how can you have that together? And now they all eat that.
Really?
Yeah. Even with pani puri, I used to only, growing up when I was younger, I would only have the sweet chutney. I would not have the wo tikha wala pani.
Oh, achha.
I only like the sweet
Yeah.
pani. So
I
I
would
would,
not the spicy one though.
pata nahi, growing up I liked that. So all my friends were like, how can you have just sweet pani? मतलब ये तो मतलब थोड़ा weird लग रहा है, अच्छा combination नहीं है. And then now वो सब वैसे ही खाते हैं. And I'm like,
Quality.
yeah, after all these years,
Have you ever fought for food?
I've cried for
People agree.
food. मतलब
You've cried.
हाँ, I think I was very very young, 7 or 8 years old. और हम बाहर थे, मतलब me, my parents, हमारी family, friends वगैरह, we were all outside. And I'm really not sure. I think we had gone on a drive or something. And then I was so small and I was very introverted, so I was so afraid to tell my parents in front of everyone कि मुझे भूख लग रही है और मुझे खाना चाहिए. And then it was too late. और मुझे इतनी भूख लग रही थी कि I couldn't process anything, that I just started crying because I was so hungry.
And now that you have told me so many food stories, I really wanted to enjoy the food. Tell me which one you have really liked so far.
I've loved the noodles. I love this rice. I love this
Potato.
the momos.
You have tried this one?
Yeah,
but this is cheese.
this I
so
will.
Yeah,
I'm
it has cheese though.
just gonna use my hand. I'm happy to have cheese.
Yeah? Okay, so.
So growing up, I actually was in a delusion कि मुझे cheese नहीं पसंद है और मैं cheese नहीं खा सकती. But फिर everybody obviously told me that I was crazy.
Huh.
And then I discovered the better things in life. I discovered cheese again, and now I love cheese.
I think I'm obsessed with cheese equally.
Yeah.
Oh, it should be made well though.
Yes.
If it's not made well, then it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
It's something different again.
This is amazing.
Anything if you want to try.
I would love to,
Yeah.
but I'm happy if you want to have.
No, you
food.
have. Lastly, you have done such a fantabulous job, by giving such a lovely interview and had food.
Thank you
And
very
looking forward
much.
to see more of your work, especially
Thank
the
you.
one with Torino, and hope to see more of you coming.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.